Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm pretty sure you've seen by the thumbnail already what we're going to be making today. So it's called HASSELBACK chicken. It started with actual potato, and I guess somebody got the idea of using a chicken breast instead of potato. So it's going to be the same way. I'm going to show you how we cut slits in chicken breast, and we're going to stuff it. Now we're going to stuff it with some stuff that we made up. Some cream cheese that's seasoned with garlic and herbs. I'm going to use some crawfish tail, and some bacon bits, and that's my all-time favorite is this Italian six cheese blend. I use it on a lot of stuff, and it's really good. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of cheddar cheese, just to garnish a little bit. This is another go-to, real quick dish if you get off from work and don't have a lot of time to cook. This can cook within about 30 minutes. So, and again, this is just two regular chicken breasts with rib meat, as they say. You can do it with, the whole ones, or you can cut it in half if you want to. But it's going to be a one meal dish, you'll find. So anyway, so HASSELBACK is simply going to be this right here. So we're going to take the knife, we're going to cut the slits in here. I'm trying to angle them a little bit, because when you angle them, you tend to get a little bit more stuffing or filling in it. Yeah, I think that's probably good enough. Put that one. Get that one out of the way. And do this one. Now you don't want to go all the way to the bottom and separate it. That wouldn't be good because it wouldn't cook right. You have two pieces on your hand. But again, a good knife will allow you to do that. If you can see, I kind of went sideways a little bit with it. As you can see here. All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with some seasoning. Now this one I'm gonna use Tony Sassery's. So I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle some over it. 6 cheese Italian blend, spinach, a little butter, cheddar cheese, and we're gonna add bacon bits to the top. I have to stuff these into the pockets here. HASSELBACK chicken ready to go. We're gonna take it and put it in our toaster oven. We're gonna do it for about 30 minutes on 450 degrees, okay? In about 30 minutes, we'll check it, make sure that it's on point. We'll take it out, top it with some cheddar cheese, and let it go for another 5-10 minutes, and then we're good to go. Then we'll be eating. Okay, guys, well, we have reached our desired temperature of 160, and we are done. So it's still kind of warm. We'll try to taste a little bit. Just really grab it. This is good. Breast is tender and juicy. Flavor from that stuffing. Wow, this is good. Guys, please try this dish. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And it's so simple to make and very budget friendly. So anyway, we hope you liked our video today. We hope that you hit that like and subscribe button so you can come back and see some other videos. And as I close the video out, I want to say to everybody out there, every day is a good day. It's all in how you live it. That being said, we out.